Yo, what's up guys? My name is Kuriyama Sensei and welcome to my newest video. Today we're gonna unbox Hidden Fates. I like this expansion. The last video I opened also Hidden Fates. So I hope we will get some good cards. Let's move on. That's Gyarados, as you guys can see. Also today we've got my little guest again, Bulbasaur, the best starter out of Gen 1. Just saying, just saying. So Bulbasaur, you're gonna stay here, be my lucky charm. And yeah, we will open today the Gyarados GX tin. So let's continue. As you guys can see, we've got the Gyarados promo card GX. I like the art. It's a pretty nice art. Pretty nice art, as you can see. This is the code card. Nice code card, I know. And we got 4 packs, like always. So let's move on. Nothing again. Okay. Hello, Cubone. So this is the code card. 4 cards from the back to the front. Oh, Lieutenant Search Strategy, Magmar, Misty Cerulean City Gym, Cubone, Voltorb, Geodude, Eevee, Clefairy, Kangaskhan, and on the end, Jesse and James Hollow. Not bad, not bad. I already have this card, but it's an extra one, so why not? Okay, the 3 birds. Also, who's your favorite bird? Let me know in the comments. My favorite bird of the 3 is Zapdos, because Zapdos is the best. Hashtag Team Instinct, Pokemon Go. This is the code card. We go 4 cards from the back to the front. Fighting Energy, Koga's Trap, Lieutenant Search, Misty's Determination, Ekans, Paras, Charmander, Slowpoke, Psyduck, Electrode, and on the end, a Hollow Brock's Training. Man, I already got that one as well. Let's move on. We go for Mewtwo. Charizard, you're gonna wait. Oh my god. Why again a Hollow that I already have? Oh shit. Too much power. I am the powerhouse. Yeah. That's what my friends call me on the street. This is the code card. 4 cards from the back to the front. Fighting Energy, Charmeleon, Misty's Determination, Scyther, Voltorb, Koffing, Ekans, Cubone, Magikarp, Shiny Voltorb, Pog! I like this card. I like it. And on the end, Erika's Hospitality. Oh my god, look at this card, man. I always wanted the Shiny Voltorb. I'm pretty liking this so far. And this is the last pack. Shiny Charizard. Give us your strength, please. Also, if you like Hidden Fates, drop a comment below, and maybe I will do another Hidden Fates. Who knows, or not? Because I also have to do still the Sword and Shields expansion. This is the code card. Nice code card. Okay, 4 cards. Yeah, 4 cards from the back to the front. Kangaskhan. Energy. Oh, did I do something wrong? Huh? Farfetch. Brock's Grit. Charmander. Magikarp. Slowpoke. Clefairy. Coughing. Misty's Water Comment, and that was it. Huh? Huh? Did I do something wrong? What? Okay. I guess I am confused. Let me check for a bit. Yeah. Yeah. I did something wrong. I think. Okay, so on the end we got these. I must say the last video I like my pools more, but I must say I like the shiny Voltorb. Pretty good one, man. Pretty good one. The others I already have, so yeah. Misty's Water Command doesn't matter. Brock's Training not either really, and Jesse and James. I mean, it's fine if you don't have those cards, but I already have 4 of them or something, so yeah. Thank you, Bulbasaur, for your luck. Was not bad. But guys, that's it of today. So if you like this video and you like me, subscribe on my channel. Hit down in the comments what do you want for the next video, and I see you guys later. Stay awesome. Bye.